when I look at the flow of my document, again, I allow the visitor to be able to kind of determine the width of the text for themselves. But if you notice, when I start squeezing in, the body text over here goes down because of the float. It goes down like this, and to be honest with you, I don't really like it. I don't want that to happen, I think, ever. So what are my options? Well, if I go back to my graph over here that tells me what I'm looking at, I think that what I need to do is put some padding in my article containers. If I put padding to the left where the nav bar is, then it's not going to go over. Yeah, I think that's exactly what I should do. So the only issue now is that the padding for the container is going to be linked to the padding for the nav bar, but I'm going to make a note of that in my CSS. So I'm going to go to article container right over there. I'll double click it, and in box I'll put some padding. So my nav bar is 155 pixels, and why don't I just put 160 pixels and hit apply. It'd be better if I'm in design view when I'm doing this. Okay, look at that. I'm gonna preview this. Let me save that. Alright, so far so good. Look, that doesn't happen anymore. Notice how right over here it's cleared. But what I should put a note now in my CSS. Where did I do that? Article content, where this padding is. No, it was rather article container. Right here, where I have the padding to the left, I'm going to put a note in for myself, and I do that with a / and asterisk. Then I'll just close it right away too, so I don't mess anything up. And an asterisk and a /. And what I'm going to write here is if navigation, let's see, if navbar is resized, this must change as well. And up over at navbar, I'll kind of put the same note. I know they're really close to each other now in distance, but if I start putting more selectors in the middle, it may get hairy. So I'm just going to put, yeah, I'll put if width is changed, must change padding left on, and then we'll put article container. There we go. And that way, I just put a note in for myself to make sure that if I do any changes to one, that I do it to the other. Oh, whoops. Otherwise, well, I may get frustrated and not know what's going on.